Hello guys, welcome back to Link Creative Studio, a place to be to develop your creative skills. And in this video, we are going to learn how to create this gradient based infinity logo from scratch in Illustrator. So first, you make sure you open your Illustrator, then you click on Create New from here. Then you set your width by 1920 and the height also 1080 pixels. You click on Create. Then we have our document created for us. Then we are going to pick our ellipse tool from here. Then press Shift plus Alt key on the keyboard. Then let's have a circle. Then we bring it in the middle. Bring it in the middle here. Then go to the properties panel. Set the fill color to none here. Then now we make a duplicate copy. Go to Edit, Copy, and paste in place. Then press Shift plus Alt key on the keyboard. Click and drag down here. Then now we are going to click on Edit, Copy, and paste in place again. Then we grab this side. Then we leave it here. Then we are going to click on Copy and paste in place again. Then we bring it down here. Then now we are going to select everything here. Then in the align section here, you click on horizontal align center. Then we have something like this one. Then we are going to click on this circle, make a duplicate, copy and paste in place. You can use a shortcut. Then you bring it down here. Then we shift it to this side. Then we leave it. Then now I'm going to select everything from here. Bring it here. Select everything. Let's bring it here. Then I'm going to make a duplicate. So you press Alt key on the keyboard and drag it down here and press Shift so that you align it in a straight path. Then we leave it. Then from here, I'm going to rotate this shape. That's 4 times. So we have 1, 2, then 3, then we have 4. So before we do that, let's go back again. So before we do that, let's select it again. Then now let's use Shift. So 4 times. 1, 2, 3, then 4. So what we just did is, you see this space here, we just rotated it so that it will come to the next place here. Then now I'm going to select this one, then Shift, then I'm going to move it. Then you make sure you touch it here, you bring it here. Then we are going to select everything now. Bring it in the middle. Then Ctrl plus key on the keyboard to zoom in. Then now we are going to pick our shape builder tool from here. Click on it. Then you click on this swap fill and stroke here so that we have a black color here. Then now I'm going to press Alt key here, Alt, so that I'm going to subtract this side and also this. Then click. Then here also the same thing. Now we've subtracted everything from here. Then we are going to join this one and this one. You make sure you take your time. Then the next one from here to here also. Then we are going to join this one all the way to here. Then you make sure you join everything. Then we join the last one here. Now we pick our selection tool. Then we have this one, this. Then now we go to our swatches here. If you cannot find it, you make sure you go to the window. Then we have it here, you click on it, it will come here. And also our gradient tool, also gradient to also here. You can find all of them here, the window, you activate them so that it comes here. It comes to this section here. So now I'm going to click on the swatches tool. Then we double click on this color, then set it to global, then you click on OK. Then from here also you're going to double click on this one, set it to global and click on OK. Then now I'm going to click on this one, then double click on my gradient tool. So you can find it here or come here and click on it. Then I'm going to double click on this one to set my gradient. Then now I click on this one. Then the color, this color, you remember we activated the global, we activated it to global. So you click on this one. Then we come here, double click on this one also. Then click here. Then we are going to have something like this one. Then now I'm going to select everything, pick my eyedropper tool from here. Then this is where the magic happens. So I just click on it. Then I have everything now. Just imagine, wow. Then from here I'm going to, since everything is selected, I come to my properties panel here. Then set the stroke to none here. Then we are going to have something like this one. So I'm going to select everything again. So let me click on this one, this section. Then you click on the gradient tool. So I'm going to reverse the gradient to something like this one. Then when I come here also, let me reverse it. So you can play around with these settings here, the color of your choice. Then you can also click on this one and set the gradient to radial gradient, so that I could have the much brighter part here. Then I click on this one also, set it to reverse the gradient. Then now here also I'm going to reverse the gradient to see. So this is what we have in. Then now when I go back to my swatches, when you double click on this one, then we click on preview. We can change the colors of this logo. So let's say example, you go this way, come back. So you can see it's changing. You can change the colors you want. Something like this one, you can go further by having. So this is what we have. You can play around with the settings here. Then when you finish, you can click on OK. So you can you can be changing the colors from here, these two, and this is how to create this simple logo. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and also click on the like button.